Top 5 Rollator Walkers under budget in 2026. Finding a reliable rollator walker doesn't mean you have to spend a fortune. In 2026, there are plenty of affordable options that deliver comfort, safety, and durability without breaking the bank. Whether you're looking for a lightweight walker for everyday use, a model with a comfortable seat for longer outings, or a compact design that's easy to transport, we've got you covered. Number 5. Medline Steel Rollator Walker. Coming in at number 5 is the Medline Steel Rollator Walker, one of the best entry-level rollators for anyone seeking reliability on a budget. Medline has built a strong reputation in the mobility industry, and this model proves that affordability doesn't have to mean sacrificing quality. The sturdy steel frame provides excellent support and can handle daily use with ease. While it is slightly heavier than aluminum models, the added weight gives it a solid and stable feel that many users appreciate. This rollator features large 6-inch wheels that perform well both indoors and outdoors. Whether you're navigating hallways, sidewalks, or shopping centers, the walker provides smooth movement and dependable control. The ergonomic handbrakes are easy to operate, allowing users to slow down or lock the wheels when sitting. Safety is a major strength of this model, making it ideal for seniors who want extra confidence while walking. Another highlight is the padded seat and backrest. The seat offers a comfortable place to rest during longer walks, and the storage compartment beneath it provides enough space for personal belongings, groceries, or medications. The walker folds easily, making it convenient for transportation and storage. The handles are height adjustable, allowing users to customize the fit for better posture and reduce strain on the back and shoulders. Even though it lacks some premium features found in expensive models, it covers all the essentials remarkably well. For budget-conscious buyers who need a dependable and durable mobility aid, the Medline Steel Rollator Walker remains one of the best values available in 2026. It's simple, practical, and built to provide years of reliable service. Number 4. Drive Medical Nitro Sprint Rollator. At number 4, we have the Drive Medical Nitro Sprint Rollator, a stylish and feature-rich walker that offers incredible value for its price. While some premium rollators can be extremely expensive, this model delivers many high-end features without demanding a premium budget. The first thing you'll notice is its modern design. The lightweight aluminum frame makes the walker easy to maneuver and transport. Despite its lightweight construction, it remains incredibly strong and stable, giving users confidence during everyday activities. One of its standout features is the large wheels, which provide excellent performance on various surfaces. Whether you're walking indoors, crossing parking lots, or taking a stroll through the park, the Nitro Sprint handles obstacles smoothly and comfortably. Comfort is another area where this rollator shines. The seat is wide and supportive, allowing users to rest comfortably whenever needed. The backrest can be adjusted to provide a more customized seating position, something rarely found in budget-friendly rollators. Storage is also excellent. The spacious storage bag keeps personal items secure and easily accessible. Many users appreciate being able to carry water bottles, medications, and shopping items without needing an additional bag. The braking system is responsive and easy to use, offering dependable stopping power and enhanced safety. The walker also folds sideways, making it exceptionally compact for car trunks and small storage spaces. For anyone looking for premium features at a mid-range price, the Drive Medical Nitro Sprint Rollator is a fantastic choice in 2026. It offers comfort, safety, and style while remaining accessible to budget-conscious buyers. Number 3. Hugo Mobility Explore Rollator Walker. Taking the third spot is the Hugo Mobility Explore Rollator Walker, one of the most comfortable and user-friendly rollators on the market. This model has become increasingly popular because it strikes an excellent balance between affordability and premium functionality. The lightweight aluminum frame is easy to lift and maneuver, making it perfect for seniors who frequently travel or need to transport their walker in a vehicle. Despite its lightweight construction, the frame feels durable and secure. The large wheels offer smooth movement across different surfaces and make the walker suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. Users often praise its excellent steering and overall stability. Comfort is where this walker truly stands out. The extra wide padded seat and supportive backrest make resting during long walks much more enjoyable. The ergonomic hand grips reduce hand fatigue and provide excellent control. Another major advantage is the built-in storage system. The large under-seat storage bag is perfect for carrying everyday items, groceries, or personal belongings. This feature makes the walker especially useful for shopping trips and daily errands. The handle height adjustment system allows users of different heights to find the perfect walking position, promoting better posture and reducing strain on the body. Safety features include easy-to-use handbrakes and a secure wheel lock system that keeps the walker stable while seated. The folding mechanism is quick and simple, allowing the walker to fit into tight storage spaces. For buyers seeking comfort, reliability, and practical features without overspending, the Hugo Mobility Explore Rollator Walker is easily one of the best budget options available in 2026. Number 2. Carrick's Crosstour Rolling Walker. Our runner-up is the Carrick's Crosstour Rolling Walker, a budget-friendly rollator that delivers impressive versatility and comfort. Designed for users who need a lightweight and dependable mobility aid, this model combines convenience and functionality in one affordable package. The aluminum frame keeps the overall weight low, making the walker easy to lift and transport. Despite being lightweight, the frame remains strong and stable enough for everyday use. One of the most impressive features is the large 8-inch wheels that glide smoothly over sidewalks, carpets, and uneven surfaces. The improved wheel size enhances stability and provides a more comfortable walking experience. The seat is spacious and padded, giving users a comfortable place to rest during longer outings. The backrest provides additional support and helps reduce fatigue during extended use. Storage is another strength of this model. The removable storage bag offers plenty of room for carrying personal belongings and daily essentials. Many users appreciate this practical feature because it makes shopping trips and outdoor activities much easier. The handbrakes are responsive and simple to operate, providing excellent safety and control. The handles are adjustable to accommodate users of different heights, ensuring a comfortable and ergonomic walking position. Another advantage is its compact folding design. The walker folds quickly and easily, making transportation and storage simple for users who are frequently on the go. The Carrick's Crosstour Rolling Walker delivers outstanding value for its price. It offers many features found in more expensive models while remaining highly affordable, making it one of the smartest purchases for budget-conscious buyers in 2026. Number 1. Drive Medical Aluminum Rollator Walker. Taking the number 1 spot is the Drive Medical Aluminum Rollator Walker, our top pick for the best budget rollator walker in 2026. This model consistently receives excellent reviews because it offers the perfect combination of affordability, comfort, durability, and ease of use. The lightweight aluminum frame makes it incredibly easy to maneuver and transport. Despite its low weight, the frame is remarkably durable and capable of handling daily use with ease. The 6-inch wheels provide smooth movement across most indoor and outdoor surfaces. The walker feels stable and secure, giving users the confidence to move independently throughout their day. Comfort is another major highlight. The padded seat and backrest provide a comfortable resting place whenever needed. The underseat storage pouch is spacious enough to carry personal items, medications, and small shopping purchases. The adjustable handle height allows users to customize the walker to their specific needs, promoting proper posture and reducing strain on the shoulders and back. Safety is excellent thanks to the ergonomic handbrakes and reliable locking system. The walker remains steady while seated and offers dependable stopping power during movement. The folding mechanism is simple and convenient, allowing users to quickly store the walker in a closet or vehicle trunk. Maintenance requirements are minimal, making it an ideal choice for seniors seeking a hassle-free mobility solution. What truly makes this walker stand out is its incredible value. It provides all the essential features most users need at a very affordable price, making it one of the best budget rollator walkers available today. If you're looking for a dependable, comfortable, and affordable mobility aid in 2026, the Drive Medical Aluminum Rollator Walker is the one you can truly trust. Those were our top 5 rollator walkers under budget in 2026. Whether you prioritize comfort, portability, or overall value, there's an excellent option on this list for every need and budget.